Yo, what's up, guys? We're here in Huntington Beach with Corey and his dog.
Yeah, it's the homie Theo.
Theo.
The
Say
dog.
what up, Theo. And this is their van.
Yeah, check out the van. Rightfully named Carl the Van.
So we got Carl the van.
I have to give him a name for sure. So yeah, check it out.
Let's see what it looks like. So what are the features of Carl the van here? How long have you been living in Carl the van?
So yeah, let's start from the beginning. I've been in the van for 8 months or so, about 8 months. But yeah, basically when I bought it, it was full of seats, and I ripped out all the seats and just went to town building. I actually watched a bunch of YouTube videos and tours, much like this video, to see kind of how I wanted to situate it. So went to town building, and this is what I got.
Cool.
But yeah, we got the kitchen right here in the front. Just swings out, you know, classic propane stove when you want to cook. So that's always handy. And then we got the other door on this side just for prep stuff. Once you come inside, you've got the control panel, the all-important control panel, lights and such, chargers. But yeah, I think the main coolest thing about this van is the solar. So that's what gives me the lights inside, and that was like my biggest thing. I had to have that power, you know, get that solar set up. So pretty happy about that. The sun does it all, man. Being off grid is like totally legit. So I totally recommend it if anybody wants to, or if they're thinking about it, do it.
So I guess so I guess also, like, would that be your favorite thing, is the solar?
I mean, I think it's just the most handy thing, you know. It's a big investment, but like,
cool.
You know, having light definitely, especially at night, it makes everything a lot easier. So,
because I was gonna ask, what's your favorite part and what's your least favorite part? So solar is like your favorite. I don't know. Yeah,
solar would be like the coolest thing. My favorite thing, honestly, is my bed. It's like a big ass queen size bed, so like I'm chilling on the bed a lot. That thing's definitely nice and comfortable. Yeah, when the weather's not so good, or now that it's getting cold in the winter, it's definitely nice to have the space inside. That's why I got the extended. If you want to take a look from the outside here, you'll notice it's the extended version. So definitely got that bigger back end to throw the bed in there.
So what's your least favorite part?
Not having a high roof, so I can't stand up, you know. Like, look, I'm 6'2", 6'3", and like when I get inside, I can't even like stand up at all. Like when I sit down, still like my head will it'll touch the ceiling. But
and this is a big doggy too.
Yeah, the dog's not tiny, so. But I guess that would be my least favorite thing. If I was gonna buy another van, or whenever I do buy another van, definitely gonna go for the extended roof. But yeah, so check it out. I got like some storage, you know, typical storage stuff. You got the bed. I actually made the bed so that I could have my crash pad for bouldering as part of it, so like the wood frame around it.
Perfect.
And this thing actually will turn into a couch. It's like one of those tri-fold mattresses.
Oh,
so
awesome.
It'll fold up, and if we want, we can jump around the back and sort of see how that works. But
and you fully are able to work on the road, huh?
As far as like work, yeah, I work because I work from my computer, so that allows me to work on the road and kind of do whatever I want to do, which is awesome, man. That was all part of the plan too. This was all kind of planned, as you can see. It wasn't just like, I mean, I did kind of wing it, but I definitely planned out the build, and it took a little bit of time to figure it out and figure out my layout and how I wanted it, and you know, came together pretty nicely, I think, for a first round.
I'd say so.
Yeah. Let me tell you one other super cool feature. My favorite thing.
Let's check it out in here.
Yeah, you gotta have the pee funnel, guys.
Wow.
All right, I know that this is the ladies' pee funnel, and actually that's why I installed this was for the lady that was traveling with me, my girlfriend, and she needed, you know, for midnight things, you know, you gotta go when you gotta go. So, but I use it too, and this thing is awesome. So if you gotta piss in the middle of the night and you don't want to get out, that's the way to do it.
And you see we got the Planet Fitness card here.
Oh, Planet Fitness,
the black card. You guys got to get that.
Take showers, stay clean, stay fresh. Let's see.
For sure.
On the back.
Jump around the back real quick.
And then yeah, show you kind of some of that storage stuff. So,
oh man, the single door.
Yeah, you got the single door, which kind of, you know, you got to be careful not to.
Yeah.
But yeah, so you'll notice like I got
that's cool.
Like just pieces of wood that I can lift, and then I got all my storage back there. But the cool thing is, if I take the pillows off, Stuff these to the side real quick. Actually, take my little TV mount.
Yeah, your little outlets here too.
Oh, this thing is sweet,
12 volt. Is that a 12 volt?
Yeah, I got 12 volt, and then
it's USBs. Oh,
yeah,
cool.
it's little USB ones, and then I wired an inverter, an outlet to. This outlet is wired to the inverter.
Nice.
So it's just an extra outlet. But this thing, dude, I got at the 99-cent store. It was like $2.99, but it holds the iPad. So like, I just watch Netflix and stuff when I'm chilling. It's perfect, bro. Just definitely get one of these guys. All right, let me fold up this thing real quick, show you how we living. Just kind of give it the old foldy fold. Oh, that's my hiking stick. Pop that guy up there. Boom. And now from the other side, you got a couch.
Hell yeah.
And then, yeah,
super simple, super functional.
Super functional, and then I got storage for days. All my equipment, tools, stuff for the dog.
Rock climbing
camera
shoes.
Stuff, yeah, camera, or the, yeah, all my gear and stuff for rock climbing. And then this is like beach stuff, camping, you know, chairs, umbrella.
And of course, you gotta have a, oh, you don't have an attic. No, you just got the tire up there.
Yeah, I got the rack though, if I need to put
yeah, that's cool,
there.
that's a cool rack.
I mean, I just made that up. Just a regular baker's rack. And then obviously the roof fan. Gotta have a roof fan, guys.
Yeah.
You're gonna be inside. You
especially
definitely need to be
dog.
able to exhaust that air. The dog farts, dude. Oh, it's bad. This guy is raunchy.
Yo, does his farts smell that bad?
They're raunchy,
oh,
bro.
Man, Theo.
They're like sticky, dude. Like, it's not good at all.
Yo.
But yeah, man, that's the basic functions here. This thing, you know, 96 Dodge, but it's been trucking along, man.
So where can the people follow you in your adventures?
Yeah, cool. If you guys want to check it out, we actually vlogged the entire build, and it's on a YouTube channel called The Endless Weekend, so you can go check that out. I'm on Instagram as another Advanture, so Adventure with a van in there, and yeah, follow me, say what's up. I'll definitely answer any comments or questions you guys have about the van or the dog or the lifestyle or whatever, so let me know.
Real quick, vanning ain't no joke.
And vanning ain't no joke, man. I appreciate the love, man. This has been a lot of fun. I just met these guys out here by this beautiful beach, so.
We'll give you a quick, the sun's about to set, so we'll give you a quick view of that.
Yeah. This is dope, man. Yeah, appreciate the tour, dude. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
All right.